Hey viewers, I hope everyone is fine. Today I'm gonna explain 4 BSK house plan in 1330 square feet. So viewers, this is basically our floor plan. This is our front side. This is our back side. Our back side and front side, this direction distance is 36 feet. This is our right side. This is our left side. Our left side and right side, this direction distance is 37 feet. Overall, our floor plan is 36 feet by 37 feet. If we talk about square feet, it's around 1330 square feet. This is our staircase. So we have this direction 7 feet 6 inches and this direction 14 feet 7 inches. Overall, our staircase is 7 feet 6 inches by 14 feet 7 inches. Here our lobby, this side we can understand we have our main door. In this floor plan, we are using our main door and bedroom door both are same. This is D1 door and D1 door measurement is 3 feet 4 inches. So using this main door we will reach here. So you can understand our drawing and dining combined. And this side basically our dining space, and this side our drawing space. So viewers, here we have this direction 13 feet 6 inches and this direction 13 feet. Overall our drawing space is 13 feet 6 inches by 13 feet. Our drawing space, right side we can understand here we have our drawing space. So this direction 13 feet, this direction 10 feet 5 inches. Overall our drawing space is 13 feet by 10 feet 5 inches. Also here we have our one window. After, you can understand our staircase, right side we have one bedroom, left side another bedroom. Basically first of all we will explain our right side this bedroom. So using this D1 door we will reach here. And this is our bedroom 1. So we have this direction 13 feet 6 inches and this direction 12 feet. Overall our bedroom 1 is 13 feet 6 inches by 12 feet. Also our bedroom 1 has two windows. This is one window and this is another window. Here bedroom 1 has one balcony. So using this D2 door we'll reach our this balcony. Basically D2 door we are using our balcony, our bathroom, kitchen, storage room, and D2 door measurement is 2 feet 6 inches. So our balcony this direction we have 8 feet 10 inches and this direction 3 feet 6 inches. Overall our balcony is 8 feet 10 inches by 3 feet 6 inches. So we get back our this bedroom 1 after our this drawing dining this open space. And staircase left side we can understand here we have this D1 door. So using this D1 door we will reach here, and this is our bedroom 2. So we have this direction 13 feet 6 inches, this direction 12 feet. Overall our bedroom 2 is 13 feet 6 inches by 12 feet. Also our bedroom 2 has two windows. This is our one window, this is another window. And bedroom 2 this downside also you can understand here we have our D2 door. Using this D2 door we'll reach here, and this is our balcony. We have this direction 8 feet 10 inches and this direction 3 feet 6 inches. Overall our balcony is 8 feet 10 inches by 3 feet 6 inches. After that get back our bedroom 2, and here we can understand our bedroom 2 also has one attached toilet. Using this D2 door we'll reach here, and this is basically our attached toilet with this bedroom 2. Here we have this direction 8 feet and this direction 4 feet. Overall our attached this bathroom is 8 feet by 4 feet. So we will reach here. After get back our this dining space, we can understand our this side also we have this D2 door. So using this D2 door we will reach here, and this is basically our kitchen room. So we have this direction 8 feet, this direction 6 feet. Overall our kitchen room is 8 feet by 6 feet. Also our kitchen room has one window and this is basically our window. So we just get back our this dining space. After we can understand our drawing dining this space upside. Here right side we have one bedroom and left side we have our another bedroom. So basically our using this G1 door will reach here, this right side, and this is basically our bedroom 3. So we have this direction 13 feet, this direction 13 feet 6 inch. Overall our bedroom 3 is 13 feet by 13 feet 6 inch. Also our bedroom 3 has 2 window. This is our one window, this is another window. So viewers, you can understand our bedroom 3 is 13 feet by 13 feet 6 inch and 2 windows. Here is one window, here is another window. So we get back our this dining space. After you can understand here we have also D2 door. Using this D2 door will reach here, and this is basically our common bathroom. We have this direction 4 feet and this direction 9 feet. Overall our common bathroom is 4 feet by 9 feet. So viewers, we get back our dining space, and now we will explain our left side this bedroom. Using this D1 door we will reach here, and this is our bedroom 4. So we have this direction 13 feet 1 inch, like you can take 13 feet, and this direction 13 feet 6 inch. Overall our bedroom 4 is 13 feet by 13 feet 6 inch. Also our bedroom 4 has 2 windows. This is our one window and this is our another window. So you can understand our bedroom 4 is 13 feet by 13 feet 6 inch. Also our bedroom 4 has 2 windows. And right side you can understand here we have also another D2 door. Using this D2 door we will reach here, and this is basically our attached toilet with this bedroom 4. So we have this direction 4 feet and this direction 9 feet. Overall our this attached toilet is 4 feet by 9 feet. So viewers, if I give a little overview, just more understanding, this is our staircase. Our staircase right side we have our bedroom 1, and bedroom 1 has one attached balcony. And staircase left side here we have our bedroom 2, and bedroom 2 also has one attached balcony and attached bathroom. After staircase here we can understand drawing dining both are combined and open space, and dining table is left side we have our staircase. Here upside our right side we have our bedroom 3, and this left side we have our bedroom 4, and here we have our common toilet, and bedroom 4 also has one common toilet. So now what we are getting these 1330 square feet floor plan. Basically we are getting 4 bed rooms, 2 balconies, 3 toilets. One toilet is common and another 2 toilets is attached with 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen room, and drawing and dining open space. So viewers, now we will talk about the cost. Cost is variable always, because it depends your state, your location, your area, your soil capacity, your demand, which kind of material do you want to use. So that's why cost is always variable. Now if we talk about the cost, so here cost is 17 lakh rupees. So viewers, our floor plan is 1330 square feet and its cost is 17 lakh rupees.